In this video, I'll show you how you can use headphones during your practice to hear what you're playing and what's coming out of the app. If you're new here, my name's Emily, and on this channel, I share tips to help you make music. What you're doing when you plug your MIDI cable into your app is the MIDI is sending the signals to the app, and then the app is playing a piano sound over the top of it. And that sound will come from the app itself, rather than the built-in keyboard sounds that you've got on your piano. If you really like the sounds from your keyboard or your digital piano, and that's what you want to listen to while you're practicing, there's a few more requirements that you're going to need to be able to do that. And it might be that the devices you're using just don't have the compatibility, which is the case for me. These are the ports on the back of my Yamaha P145. There is no line in on the ports on the Yamaha P145. Now that's important because it means that I can't send the sound signal from my app into my keyboard and then plug my headphones into my keyboard and listen to the sounds from the app and the keyboard at the same time. To hear your own piano sounds, you will need an audio input on your keyboard, and on your device you'll also need to have a headphone jack. If your devices do have all the ports that you need, then this is how you would connect it. So you would take your USB-B cable and plug it into your keyboard, and then you would take the other end and plug it into your tablet to connect it to the app. What you then need to do is take the sound from your tablet or your laptop and send it back to the keyboard, because that's what you'll be plugging the headphones into in a little while. So to do that, you need an auxiliary cable. Now, the headphone port on a tablet or a laptop is this size. It's a little one. But you might find that the line in port on the back of the keyboard needs a chunkier type end. So you could buy a little adapter and put it on the end of a standard auxiliary cable like this. The next thing, you plug the headphone jack into the tablet, and then you plug this into the line in on the keyboard. You take your headphones and you plug your headphones into your keyboard like you would normally if you were practicing. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.